Hey beauties, I'm about to show you how to go from this bright blonde color to this navy blue. Let's get right into the video.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
So today I am going to be using the watercolor method. I picked up these 4 dyes from my local beauty supply store. It's African Violet, Purple Rage, Blue Black, and Indigo Blue. So the first thing that I'm going to do is heat up my water temperature till it's really hot. My sink water gets really hot. I know some people like to boil water, but I just feel like this is easier for me. The first thing that I'm going to do is take that Purple Rage color and I'm going to add it into the hot water. And what this is going to do is pretty much neutralize out like the yellow colors that's in the wig, so that when I put the blue over top I won't get a lot of green spots in the wig, because that happens when you mix blue and yellow together. You're going to get green. So just a little bit of color theory. The purple will neutralize the yellow so that I don't have to worry about getting those green shades in there. So now I'm just mixing the purple hair color with the hot water, and then I'm just going to take my blonde wig and then I'm just going to dip it inside of this mixture. Now that I am done with the purple, I'm just going to let that sit in the hair. I didn't even rinse this out. I just let this sit in the hair while I prepare to do the watercolor for the blue. So basically I just rinsed my bowl out, cleaned everything out again. I'm getting another bowl of hot water, and then I'm just going to put that in the bowl. And then all of the blue shades that I had, I used a full bottle of all the blue shades. For the blue black, I believed I used a half a bottle, and then I just mixed all of those together and then I re-dipped the wig. So for this look, I decided to use a few different shades of the blue hair color, just because when I did the bleach bath, I wasn't sure as to how it was going to turn out. I didn't know if it was going to have a few different tones in it or if it was just going to be one even tone. But because it did have a few different tones in it, the color took really well to the hair, and I was glad. It actually picked up really fast, as you can see in this clip right here. So next I'm just going to be taking my hair coloring brush and getting really close to those roots, because I did not want the roots to be blonde and the rest of the hair still be blue. So that's why I'm getting really close to the root. This whole process didn't take really long. It took maybe about 10 to 15 minutes altogether, besides me shampooing and conditioning. And this is how the color turned out once I just left it and I let it sit. In these next clips, I'm just going to be taking the wig and shampooing it with some shampoo and conditioner. For the conditioner, I use a silicone mix. The shampoo didn't really matter. But yeah, this is how the wig turned out. I let it air dry, and if this wig video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe.